Alrighty, yo, what is going on, guys? My name is Max. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. In today's video, we're going to be doing another POV photography video. I went to a car meet recently, and it was overall just a super fun time. There's a lot of crazy cars, and actually my left ear is just... And yeah, that car was absolutely insane. It was not the only car that was there. So there's a lot more to see, so stick around and stay tuned. If you guys aren't subscribed, by the way, please, I suggest hitting that subscribe button. It's completely free, and you can always change your mind. Also, how are you guys feeling about this setup? I'm personally loving it. I love the way it looks, but what do you guys think about the new camera? How do you think it looks? Let me know in the comments below. And yeah, we're gonna get all of our bags packed up. I'm gonna get my camera set up, and we are going to head to the car meet. As always, some amazing B-roll. So let's get there. Alrighty, so we're at the meet right now. Kind of hiding in the corner. I'm going to set up all my gimbal stuff, but here's the turnout. There's a little over like 50, 70 cars. I would say like 70 to 100 cars, but there should be a lot more showing up. But I'm going to get all my gimbal stuff, get my GoPro strap on, and actually show you guys the POV of like my gimbal work, and I think that'll be pretty cool and like kind of a different perspective. But yeah, we're going to throw the GoPro on, and we'll head out there now. We're going to get some photos first, then I'll break out the good old gimbal and get some good old cinematic video. But for now, we're going to take some photos. And yeah, let's go. Right now, I'm gonna use this front bumper of this Challenger, and we're gonna line it up just like this. And yeah, basically right now, we're using that Challenger as the foreground, just to bring some depth. I think this is going to be a nice shot because it's probably the only long shot I'm going to be able to get. Just with everyone here being like that. I wish I'd seen a lot more cars here. I wish there was a lot more room. Yeah, that looks fantastic. Wow, I love how much the white pops. That looks great. That looks fantastic, dude. That's cool. I'm going to shoot the Slam Mustang too. That thing is absolutely sick. That's so badass. I absolutely love this.
It's the end of the world, Illuminati is coming. Gather the boys and girls and watch as it all unfurls. They clutching at all their pearls and no one asking for guidance. Stimulus check, won't you cash app that? I got niggas and they said that respect they black. Politicians and they said don't know how to act.
Alrighty, well that has been the video. If you guys made it to the end, thank you all so much for watching. So sorry the video was so short. At the end, they played a lot of music and it was like way too loud to even film or like record. If you guys like this type of video, please leave a like, comment, and subscribe. And as always, no style, just creating. Peace.
Beast on the water, pray to provider. Please don't divide us. Keep that and try to face your intruder to be someone brighter.